Hello. So now I'm near Gyeongbokgung station. Why I come here? I want to visit the Blue House by self-driving bus. Blue House is previous president palace. So, but now current president he doesn't use anymore. So now it's open to the public. So let's go. Yeah, unfortunately I come here lunch break. So at first I will visit there by normal bus. After that I will introduce the self-driving bus. If you book schedule in advance, you can visit and see inside. This time is my second time. First time was overcrowded, so I couldn't enjoy. But today, not many people around the street. Yeah, so it's already many people visit here, I think. Plus, yeah, it's colder than before. Yeah, this is really cold because it's January. Happy New Year. It's a real blue house because the ceiling is blue, so it is called the blue house. Finally, I'm inside of blue house. Oh, less crowded. Yeah, it's possible I can share the video, the footage. Yeah, 5 or 6 months ago and now. Each has pros and cons. I think whether it's cold, but not many people are around here, so we can enjoy more than before. If you are foreigner, you can register in a ticket box. Yeah, but Koreans like me, only we need to reserve 1 week before we come. Oh, can you see my nose? Yeah, fortunately, it's not quite windy. Seoul is very big city, as you know. So Seoul city air is not quite good. Yeah, air pollution problem is very serious. But even though here is the center of Seoul, but air is quite fresh. Maybe I'm lucky. I don't know exactly. Wow. Always, every time we have an election, it's a big topic whether president works in Blue House or not, because Blue House is palace. It's not easy to get close with normal people. I need to wear a mask if you go inside. Finally, it's open to the public. I understand why previous former presidents just wanted to stay here. Well, we saw a lot of times in the news. Wow. Yeah, now I'm very happy to come here because less crowded. Last spring, overcrowded and a lot of sweat. Wow. Our former presidents, you can see to the photo. Only 3 former presidents are still alive. The rest of presidents are already passed away. This chamber mood is quite different compared with the previous place. Former president spouses, they use this place to work or stay. Yeah, there are many former presidents' spouses. We have only 1 female president, but she doesn't get married, so she doesn't have also husband. President's chamber locates the 2nd floor. Chandelier on the ceiling. Each place has different style. I know. Dining room. Yeah, inside Blue House tour was quite nice. Yeah, I understand why it is called palace. If I stay here, I don't go outside. Yeah, because I believe that I can do anything that I want. I want to stimulate your curiosity, so that's why I don't show anything. Yeah, I'm a bad guy. I remember a trip to European countries. Usually I need to pay entrance fee, but Blue House is free, so you can visit many times without any burdens. Originally locates a very nice area, one of the best area in Seoul. Yeah, around the palace there are mountains, so it's very quiet. Let's go to the other place. If you have enough energy, You can also climb the mountain in Blue House. Yeah, I show you these stairs. Yeah, can I beat it or not? Yeah, for you, I try. Let's go. Wow, whoa, it's amazing. Because I heard that in the middle of the mountain there is a beautiful garden. Finally, I reached the top of this course. Can you hear my love breathtaking voice, noise? Last May when I was here, people enjoy kimbap. It's one of the typical street food in Korea. But today it's quite cold, so nobody takes a rest in this area. I feel like I'm more healthier than before. Please understand me. Now my mouth is almost frozen. I cannot speak clearly or obviously. Maybe you can guess what I want to say. Wow, you can see downtown area of Seoul. Yeah, it is called Real Old Seoul, near the Gwanghwamun. Yeah, wow, from the Blue House you can see in one glance. It's also pavilion, but inside is closed. Unfortunately. Oh. Scenery is quite nice, but very foggy, so it's not easy to see the outside. Yeah, I'm very happy now because walk on the street with less crowded, and also feel like going countryside, but here, center of Seoul. It's president's home house, but because of construction, you can see only limited place. Yeah, but still now we cannot go inside. You can see inside from the outside. Yeah, we can call it a real house. It looks quite beautiful. Wow. Already barely the waters are frozen. Maybe I can skating. So in fact, near the Blue House there is also different attractions. Gyeongbokgung, Gwanghwamun. You can visit in one day. 50% I recommend. If you divide into 2 days, I highly recommend it because it would be quite tough to travel. Blue House has 2 gates, main gate and Chunchu gate. Here from through the main gate, and so here is through the Chunchu gate. I go outside. Chunchu gate, yeah, usually when presidents work there, he communicated with the journalists. It's the helicopter station. Finally, I watched the whole Blue House. Yeah, Cheongwade Blue House. Yeah, now it's time to say goodbye. Do you think so? Now, yeah, we need to go to station. Yeah, to Gyeongbokgung station. We can get there by self-driving bus. So from now on, I try to take a self-driving bus. Well, I'm curious a lot. The bus number is A01. A01. A means auto. Number. It operates only weekdays from 9 to 5. Yeah, usually every 15 minutes, but from 9 to 10 in the morning, it operates every 30 minutes. The route is very simple. It's very comfortable if you want to get to Gyeongbokgung station by bus after visiting Blue House. Because Yellow 01, this bus doesn't go to the Gyeongbokgung station. This bus goes to Angok station. Wow, bus is coming now. Okay, let's see.
버스 알고 타시는 거죠?
예.
감사합니다. 안전벨트 매시면 출발하겠습니다.
self-driving bus is amazing. As you can see, bus driver put his hands up while driving. But my real fantasy and reality, it has some difference. For example, speed. Self-driving mode always keep the speed, so it was quite slow and stop and go, and also less sensitive than real personal driving. And also for the safety reason, we need to fasten our seatbelt. But when you consider the city bus, we don't fasten our seatbelt. So it was also a little bit weird for me. And also self-driving mode, there are many unknown mistakes, I understand.
하차입니다. 하차입니다. 하차입니다.
Wow. Finally, I arrived Gyeongbokgung Station. How was the Blue House tour? Was it nice? I hope you're visiting by yourself. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.